Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Finance function to return a historical list of stock prices in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Let's get right into it. So I have the function here. This is the general format of the function. I'm going to kind of show you how to build out a table of a stock's prices. Okay, so step number one is you have to figure out which exchange you want to query. So in this instance, we're going to do the NASDAQ exchange, and we're going to use the ticker symbol of Goog, G-O-O-G for Google. We're going to have a start date and an end date. Start date is going to be January 1st, 2022. End date May 1st, 2022. And then we're going to specify the type of result, like the type of, if it's daily, monthly, whatever it might be. So let's build this query out. Google Finance, open parentheses, ticker symbol. And the ticker is going to be maybe we could build the ticker out actually. So we'll just do a ticker, and this is going to equal concatenate this string, comma, a colon, and then the ticker symbol. So it's going to be NASDAQ Google. So let's build this out now. So we're going to do equals Google Finance, ticker symbol, and what we want to return, which is price, start date, end date, and the interval. And there you go. These are going to be the dates and the closes of all of the Google stock from January 1st through May. What if we change this to GM, something like that? Would that work? No, GM. What's another stock? Would this work? Would an exchange work? Yeah, I guess the triple Qs. You could do that. Oh, that's a painful looking list. 313. Jeez. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. If you get anything out of this, hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.